Hello and welcome to my not first video, which you could probably guess by the thumbnail already. I just chose that thumbnail because these type of thumbnails are apparently well received. But since I already posted my first video, well, a few years ago, I cannot hit that move anymore. So yeah, that's not my first video. Anyways, this video isn't even about me or anything. Well, okay, maybe kind of. It is. Okay, wait, let me just get to the point. Hello, my name is Navira. I am an NPC that is limited to draw and animate only, and we're actually going to draw or animate today. You may be wondering, what are we animating? Well, we are animating my YouTube intro. The reason being, I do not have a proper YouTube intro ever. I had that one that was pretty lazy and boring, but I did not like that, and I wanted to make another one that fitted my theme better, you know? And looked even better too. So I was like, yeah, I might as well just animate that. I was brainstorming a lot on how I want my intro to look like. The first idea I had was maybe just my face rolling into a strawberry. But I just thought that idea is too simple, and I did not really like that. Then I had another idea where I'm like an NPC standing next to a home screen of a game, and then you're basically starting the game. However, I felt like that was kind of unoriginal because I've seen many people do this one already, so I wanted to do something different. Then I came up with the idea of me just, appearing behind some curtains. But I also was not a fan of that because, well, it did not really fit my theme. Because I'm an NPC, I like to draw, I like strawberries too. So I wanted to have something have these things incorporated into my intro. Now the final idea that I decided on, or I chose to animate, was I have a bread where I'm gonna smear strawberry jam on, and the jam is gonna say my name. Or not really say my name, it's gonna display my name, my channel name. You get what I mean, right? And then there's another bread piece that's gonna go on top with my face on it. I thought that was a pretty nice idea, so I got onto animating that. The reason, I think the main inspiration I had was from this one animation I saw on YouTube. I forgot the name, but I can blend in a clip here. I liked the art style a lot. I did not go for the art style, but I liked the theme of it, like a breakfast thing, and it's it's a cooking show. So I just kind of stole that idea. And the vibe, like a cozy breakfast vibe, even though the plot itself was not cozy at all. But yeah. Now, one or two things about my creative process. So I first kind of storyboarded my animation or the idea in ToonSquid. Then I went on to Procreate and drew each piece separately. Because I feel like if you want to have an animation that is more detailed and has less complex movements, it's easier to use tweening. So that's why I go on to Procreate, draw the things there, and add as much shading and as much colors I want, and then import that back into ToonSquid. I did not record that much, but you can kind of tell what I'm doing by the footage you're seeing right now. And now that I think about it, it was actually kind of unnecessary for me to separate everything. I just wanted the bread to move, and then I have my hand with the knife, and then I wanted the jam to be on a separate layer too, so I can blend that in once the knife goes on top of that bread, right? This makes me wonder if you're interested in animation content too. So I'm not a professional, I just learned everything off of TikTok tutorials, but if you're interested, I could kind of, do a tutorial on how I animate stuff, and then you could learn from it if you like. So if you like this idea, tell me in the comments, and I will I will then be your tutor. Also, while we're at the topic of commenting and stuff, make sure to like this video and give me a subscription, or subscribe to my channel if you like dope art and if you want to see more of this stuff and support me. So yes. One part where I struggled in this animation wasn't even like the animation itself, it was more like an effect that I added later on. I thought that it would look great if I would make like sun rays cross the scene and light up the bread in some sort of way so it looks like the vibe I was going for, but I just didn't really figure out what effects to use on that. In the end I used, I think, add, like the layer add and overlay to make it look more lighting, like, you understand what I mean. And then I used a multiply layer to darken everything so the lights pop even more. And fellas, that's it! You wanna see my final animation? Here you go! Let's hope that I do not get bored of this animation this quickly, and let's hope that you're gonna see this one in the next few videos, if I get to make more videos, which hopefully I will, but let's see if my motivation will allow me to. So yes, see you next time!